Good day, my people. I did the house of brother and sister Odianerewo. Yes, so this one now is sister be this one. Our sister name now Sister Doris Odianerewo. The place where they did here, not be small place. No, I did this Aba what? Adamu. In Ikorodu. In fact, as I dey come, I think say na travel. I dey travel. Not be small. How na they attend service for this place?
We wake up around 4. By 6 or 6:30 we leave here.
Not be small. Not be small stress. So, okay. Sister Doris Odianerewo, he gets health issue. Now he say he no go fit hide am again. No, the thing don too much for am. He don too spend. Not be small. And he wan come cry out to the general public make dem help am. See the things when he be say she dey also dey take money no even dey to buy them plenty. Na see all these fruits when e dey here so. This na part of the things when he be say she dey take. So all this one na fruits abi? There be fruits.
Yes.
Wey na be among those things when he be say she dey take and all other drugs. So wetin be the nature of how this thing take start sef?
I just wake up one morning. As I stand up from bed, I see say the way the bread just do.
Yeah.
Now I come say I lie down because every time I dey palpate am. So but the way when you do that day, I come feel say it's strange. So I lie down, come check am. I come see say small seed dey there. So it was on a Friday. So the following week now I go Agbowa General Hospital for Ikorodu here. I reach there. They give me appointment, say the consultant not there. So the following week I go there. Every time now they go there, the doctor say not be cancer, he not see anything, na just tissue. So we dey argue for 6 months, from March till September. As I reach there that September morning, 16th of September, he say me I dey disturb am. Say so he go do operation make him see, do biopsy for make him see whether na true. Say na he dey there because me I dey disturb am, make me, he don tell me, other doctors sef don tell me, but me dey insist. So now he can't just put me on the operation list. Say the following day make I come for the operation. So now so he can't take one, can't take do the biopsy. As he even open am, as they open the place, now they talk, they tell the doctors, they say no good say make dem no dey lis ten to patients. He say because truly the condition of the skin of that place don change. Say na true, me I talk. He never even enter inside well as he just cut am, but me I never sleep go, I still dey hear am. So when he come open am, come bring am, me and I not see that day again. So he give me the specimen. The following day they discharge me, I take am go for lab. So when I go back go collect am, they say na cancer, na second stage, na e dey as at that time. So since then, na him we dey battle am so.
So that's na around which year be that when you say na cancer?
Na 2019.
2019. So since that time, what kind of treatment? How you take go about the treatment?
The first time when that one come, they refer me go Lute. So when I reach Lute, then send me go for other tests. So now for that they tell me say na second stage dey.
Okay.
So then the doctor send me say make I go chemotherapy. So when he send me go for that chemotherapy, for each dose of the chemotherapy is 80,000. And every 3 weeks now we dey take her. And I can take up to 20, 25, even 30, depending. So when I look at and I just retired, they never even pay me my money. So I say, nobody, I not get anybody who go help me. So I said that one too much. So me, I know homeopathy.
Yeah.
There's this fruit treatment.
Okay. Like
So-
all those fruits when you did it so.
Yes, so
Okay.
they come show me the place.
Mm.
Na doctor e dey for inside the Ikorodu.
Ah.
So na there I come dey go. So he sef try. When e reach one stage, the thing no dey work again. But e no work, no be say e no work say because the thing no good,
Mm.
but because money no come dey again for me to continue.
To continue.
Because if I buy am, if e finish, I go stop, I go dey eat the normal
So
food.
that means if you dey buy this thing now, this fruits now, and other things when you be say
I dey take.
make you dey take, e dey relieve you.
You go even see say the thing dey go back. Now when I dey take am so you see the breast don small. But if I stop, e go come big. The wound all go come dey come out from every corner.
Mm.
The wound go come dey open. Na so e dey do. But since somebody give me small money now, I come dey use am now. The thing.
So how much all these fruits, everything, how much e dey cost you like in a week?
In a week I fit buy like 14,000 because the fruit dem wey dey there, so some bottles na 4 or 5 na im dey inside.
All those bottles like 4 or 5 fruits go dey inside.
Yeah, dey one.
Dey one. Okay.
Some 3, some 2.
Okay.
Like the middle one there, so na 3 dey there.
Okay.
The other one na 4. This one na 2 dey here.
Mm.
Then with this
So if like you
Fashion.
dey take this fruit continuously, the thing go help to heal.
very well sef.
So like okay, you said now like around 40,000 in a week, now you dey
Yes,
spend.
na I dey spend for only this one.
Only that one.
For only that one, no other thing.
No other thing again, no.
Say pain dey, I have pain o.
Yeah.
I wan take injection to relieve the pain.
Yeah.
Those ones no dey o.
So those ones dey different from
Yes.
this very one.
Yes.
How my people, not be small people of God dey see o. Na temptation of life, na be all this one o. We not pray o, may God allow us contract Egypt sickness o. But when devil come plague, come cause wahala, na for us to run to God o. Run to God in prayer, and also to run to our fellow brethren too. May they also assist us. May they assist this our sister, so that she go fit dey take this fruit. All this so that she go fit dey get money to buy other drugs when e be say she go need to dey buy. So sister, wetin you want na make make members do for you?
Na make dem dey assist me with the money now. Money make I take dey buy this thing constantly. You know, no be say I drink am small, I stop again. So na im make the thing never heal so. Because anytime I get money for hand, dey take am continuously, I dey see the progress.
Okay.
So but once e stop, e go go back to where I for start again.
Oh.
So na im be the problem wey dey there.
Okay, sister, we don hear you. Na our prayer be say make members when e be say dem wan really help, make dem come help you. Those when e be say God bless financially, make dem come assist you. That na the prayer when e be say we dey pray for now.
Yes.
And I go also tell you this, sister, nothing wey God no fit do o. Make at all times make you dey put yourself in prayer. Make you dey put yourself in prayer. Beg God o, any area when e be say you use say sin against God, tell God o, beg am make he forgive you, so that as you dey take all this medicine, God go help you, the medicine go help to heal you. Na because of say your time never reach. If not, I hear of your sickness, say you sick well and God survive you. As thank God say God he keep you now, and na my prayer make e be say God go help you through members, so that you go take all these things and you go come become well again, and you come become to the attend service again by the grace of God. And your children too, I think your children dey go school abi?
Yes.
They don go school. I want make your children make dem enjoy your old age. You go live long to see them grow, and God forbid say their mama go come leave them this time. God forbid o, your children go enjoy your old age, and you go enjoy your children. You go see them grow by the grace of God. So my people, na so I beg una go see the account number when e be say we display so. Anything una get to, no matter how small, look una help to see say we help our sister to come out from this situation. I thank una.